Crash Course on Costa Rica, Adventure Sports. Introduction. Costa Rica is not only renowned for its stunning natural landscapes and abundant wildlife but also for its thrilling adventure sports. With its diverse terrain of mountains, volcanoes, rivers, and coastline, the country offers an array of exhilarating activities for adrenaline junkies and outdoor enthusiasts. In this crash course, we will delve into the exciting world of adventure sports in Costa Rica, sharing captivating stories and examples to ignite your imagination. We will then explore the top 12 adventure sports that await thrill-seekers in this adventure lover's paradise. Chapter 1. Stories and Examples of Adventure in Costa Rica. Costa Rica is a land of stories where adventurers have pushed their limits and experienced moments of pure adrenaline. One such tale is that of the river rafters tackling the challenging rapids of the Pacuare River, navigating through breathtaking canyons and cascading waterfalls. The rush of adrenaline, the camaraderie among teammates, and the natural beauty of the surroundings create an unforgettable adventure. Another example is the thrilling canopy zipline tours that take you soaring through the rainforest canopy. Imagine the exhilaration of gliding above the treetops, feeling the wind rush past your face as you catch glimpses of monkeys swinging in the trees below. These experiences embody the spirit of adventure in Costa Rica. Chapter 2. Top 12 Adventure Sports in Costa Rica. 1. Whitewater rafting. Conquer the raging rapids of rivers like the Pacuare or Sarapiqui as you navigate through challenging twists and turns, surrounded by lush rainforest. 2. Ziplining. Soar through the canopy on high-speed zip lines, enjoying a bird's-eye view of the jungle and its inhabitants. 3. Surfing. Ride the waves along Costa Rica's Pacific coast, known for its world-class surf breaks, suitable for both beginners and experienced surfers. 4. Canyoning. Descend through waterfalls and narrow canyons, rappelling down cascades and immersing yourself in the heart of the rainforest. 5. Stand-up paddleboarding. SUP. Explore calm coastal waters or serene lakes on a paddleboard, enjoying the tranquility and beautiful surroundings. 6. Mountain biking. Embark on thrilling mountain biking trails, traversing rugged terrains, and taking in breathtaking views of volcanoes, forests, and valleys. 7. Rock climbing. Challenge yourself on Costa Rica's natural rock formations, from limestone cliffs to volcanic crags, and experience the thrill of scaling vertical walls. 8. Canyoneering. Combine hiking, rappelling, and swimming as you descend through narrow canyons, jumping into crystal-clear pools, and exploring hidden natural wonders. 9. Kayaking. Paddle through tranquil rivers, mangrove forests, or the calm waters of the Pacific or Caribbean, immersing yourself in Costa Rica's natural beauty. 10. Paragliding. Soar like a bird above Costa Rica's picturesque landscapes, taking in breathtaking views of mountains, forests, and coastlines. 11. Bungee jumping. Experience an adrenaline rush by leaping from towering bridges or platforms, plunging into the abyss and rebounding with a surge of exhilaration. 12. Horseback riding. Explore the countryside on horseback, galloping along beaches, meandering through lush valleys, and connecting with nature in a unique way. Chapter 3. Summary. Costa Rica's adventure sports offer a thrilling escape into the heart of nature, allowing you to push your limits and create unforgettable memories. Whether you're drawn to the rush of whitewater rafting, the freedom of ziplining, or the challenge of rock climbing, Costa Rica has something to offer every adventurer. Poem. In Costa Rica, adventure unfolds, where adrenaline seekers dare to be bold. From roaring rapids to soaring high, a paradise for those who reach for the sky. Zip lines carry us through the treetops high, as monkeys swing beneath the sky. Whitewater rafting, a wild ride, through canyons and rapids, side by side. Surfing the waves, a thrilling endeavor. Catching the swell, riding with fervor. Canyoning down waterfalls so steep. In the heart of the rainforest, secrets to keep. Mountain biking trails, rugged and steep. Volcanoes and valleys, secrets to keep. Rock climbing, a test of strength and grace. Scaling the heights, embracing the chase. Kayaking through rivers, tranquil and serene. Paddleboarding on waters, calm and clean. Paragliding above the majestic land. Taking flight with nature, hand in hand. Bungee jumping, a leap of faith. Defying gravity, embracing the wraith. Horseback riding, a bond with the land. Galloping on beaches, a memory so grand. Costa Rica's adventure, a thrilling quest. where dreams come alive and fears are addressed. Embrace the challenge, let your spirit soar. In this land of adventure, forevermore. Song. Verse 1. In Costa Rica, where dreams take flight, adventures await, both day and night. Whitewater rapids, wild and free. In the heart of nature, where you should be. Chorus. Costa Rica, the land of thrill, where adrenaline flows, a powerful rill. Zip lining through the trees so high. Adventure beckons, let your spirit fly. Verse 2. Surf the waves on the golden shore. Feel the rush, forever wanting more. Canyoning down waterfalls tall. In the rainforest's embrace, we stand tall. Chorus. Costa Rica, the land of thrill, where adrenaline flows, a powerful rill. Zip lining through the trees so high. Adventure beckons, let your spirit fly. Bridge. Mountain biking, trails untamed. Rock climbing, heights unclaimed. Kayaking, paddling the rivers wide. Paragliding, soaring with pride. Chorus. Costa Rica, the land of thrill, where adrenaline flows, a powerful rill. Zip lining through the trees so high. Adventure beckons, let your spirit fly. Outro. In Costa Rica, adventure awaits, where courage triumphs, fear abates. Explore the wild, embrace the quest. In this playground of adventure, be your best. Ending note. ******. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link. https://www.booking.com/index.html?8 = 7989335. It is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for support our AnHub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here.